big guy. Watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. And we be
quick. A quick video here. Melty Monterey Jack Burgers. Hello Fresh. Something quick and easy. It's just really nothing to it. So he's gonna slide through the through the instructions here. It's like he wants you to do an onion jam. That's different. And of course, garlic mayo. You're gonna cook the patties and then you're gonna mount up. That's basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and prep the garlic, the onions, and the potatoes real quick. Here we go. So what's in the bag? Gotta have them buns. Onion. I got 4 onions. Got potatoes. Okay. Got Monterey Jack cheese. Oh, I got 2 of them. Okay, two burgers. All right. Got some mayo. This is ketchup. Okay, ketchup. This is some vinegar. Some of this for the onions. Potato. Okay. And the garlic. And then what is this? I can't see it. Some type of seasoning. All right, so we'll roll with that. And of course, you got the ground beef. All right, let's get started. So I went ahead and cut up the onions. Cut up the potatoes already, which I'm gonna put in this bowl here. Simple. And then we're gonna put a little olive oil in here. And this stuff I couldn't read was fry seasoning. So, but it wasn't put half of those gonna be our potatoes. So let's go ahead and do that. Kind of chunky, ain't it? Oh no. Oh well, we don't need that. We know how to cook, remember? We know how to cook. There we go. I could have put more potatoes on here, but I decided not to. This should be good. That should be good. Should be good. It's just me, so this is what it is. Oven. There you go. We're gonna move to our pot. My pan here. A little oil in here. Move it all around. Put them in this bowl. All right. The onions going. 8 to 10 minutes until they soften up. Gonna do HelloFresh's famous sauce. So this is mayo. We're gonna add some fresh garlic. So a packet of mayo. Okay. A pinch of fresh garlic, salt and pepper, a little salt, a little pepper. This is gonna be garlic mayo. Okay. That should be good and ready for our burger when we leave. Salt and pepper. Really all you need. So salt and pepper. Mix it. Get it all mixed up. We're gonna form 2 patties, of course. This is stuff we already know. The giblets is the garlic, mayo, the caramelized onions, and what they want us to do with this onion jam. All right, now we divide them up and we create 2 patties. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, got our 2 patties. Onions are ready, so we're gonna take these out and use this pan. What we do with the onions is make this jam. So let me go ahead and get this vinegar. Get that vinegar in there. Okay. Then he wants a teaspoon of sugar. That's just 2 teaspoons, but I didn't use all the onions, so I'm kind of making this half of what it requires. And then you let this go until the onions continue to get softer There we go. All right. You see they're getting softer. Should be just about ready. There we go. Actually supposed to do it till it caramelizes. The sugar's gonna caramelize, help caramelize it. So it's 2-3 minutes. I'm just about at that point now. Okay. And 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Depends on how well or rare you want them. So they're going. Let's go get the buns. Buns, you know, they give us these buns. We have to cut in half. So go ahead and cut them in half. These are actually pretty good buns too. Go ahead and cut them in half. And break them apart. Y'all know what I like to do. I like to put mayo on my buns. It gives it flavor. Use your favorite mayo. Don't just use any mayo. I like the, just in case it's your first time, the real craft mayo, the real mayo. Use that. And then, after I do all that goodness, I take them and air fryer. Go. Put them in the air fryer until they brown. Okay, there we go. Spread out. Go ahead and get that garlic mayo on it. Spread on top of it. Ketchup at the bottom. Normally I don't put ketchup on my burgers, but see how this turn out. Potatoes. Yes, sir. Those guys in the house. We'll add some mozzarella. Monterey Jack. That's going. And he wants us to take our onions. Put them on top. Sorry. Put them on top. The onion jam is pretty good. It is pretty good. Pretty good. I mean, basically the burger's finished. Just top it, of course. And the burger's done. It's all done. You can season your fries with salt and pepper if you like. That fried seasoning was not that good to me. So I just improvised. This is basically it, man. This is the Melty Monterey Jack burger with the garlic mayo and onion jam. So we're gonna taste this and see what we got. You know we do this. There's mine. There's mine. Mine. All right, guys. A loosey goosey. Let's taste this burger. Mmm. I haven't quite got the meat yet, but that garlic mayo is fire. It's good. Those onions, okay. Yeah, sorry. You gotta toast your buns. That's doing it too. Look at this guy. For an actual patty, I didn't add much at all but salt and pepper. That's it. Sometimes we over season the food. I've been known to do that. And that's salt and pepper. The ground beef they use is pretty good too. It almost tastes like a little wagyu. You take out a little pat of it, but it's good. That garlic, mayo, onions are hitting. The garlic mayo is showing up. This thing's almost gone. Yeah. Look up. That's it. One take, it's gone. You saw that. I wish you could taste that. It was really good. So try mayo and fresh garlic. A little salt and pepper. That was bomb. And I wasn't sure where we were going with the onions, but that vinegar and the sugar, then I realized it's all right, they want to caramelize it, so the sugar serves as that, supposed to melt and gel and bring it all together with the vinegar and the onions. Ended up being pretty good. That's all I got today, baby. Pray you guys are doing well. God bless you. And I'll see you beautiful people in today's video. Hey.